after a while.
So then you're gonna get so dizzy.
Actually, you know what's really fun? Do that for like 30 seconds, spinning as fast as you can, looking at the sky, and then stop and try and jump in the air.
Try to jump in the air.
Faster. No. Oh gosh.
Okay, now what?
You ready? We're gonna jump in the air.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. I'm just dizzy. You gotta try it, it's really fun. Make it stick.
You're gonna stab yourself with a stick.
Keep going. No, no.
Keep going.
No, you gotta
No,
go
no.
longer.
No, you didn't. You overheat your shoes.
I almost got my balance.
No, it's okay, I'll pass.
Guys, you gotta get Natalie to try it.
I am emotional. I cried.
Hey guys, I want to get a picture of somebody looking at